To me, umami means it's like having a second set of taste buds. My name is Leandro Carreira. We're here at Londrino in London Bridge. Londrino is a restaurant that works with a lot of micro-seasonality and seasonality. It's a restaurant a la carte where we work over some Portuguese influences in terms of like flavors or ideas, but we're not a Portuguese restaurant. We're going to show you a dish that we do here. It's inspired by the whole tradition from close where I'm from. And what the ladies do, they cut the mackerels with a small knife and with their fingers, and they open them like this butterfly, and they wash them in seawater, and then they hang them for 4, 5, 6 days, or even more in the stand, so the mackerel dries out and produces this incredible flavor that I strongly believe that that's really a bomb of umami, natural umami. The garnish is very simple. It's just an endive that we're just going to lightly sear. And I think together, so this is a little bit bitter, and this is because it has like a really powerful umami flavor that will help to go through the fish. And this is Maegawa. So it's a Japanese sort of mandarin. We preserved from last year, and we blend this with the bones. So make a stock with the bones of the fish, and we blend it with the sauce, with the stock, and homemade Alexander's vinegar that we picked last year as well. So it looks like it's very creamy, almost like an emulsion. So we're just going to toss the endive over the top, and then when people eat it, they will eat the fish and they go through the endive, and the emulsion is quite citrus and fresh for the fish. So as you can see, the mackerel is quite dry on the outside. There's no sort of moist, but in here, you can see the flesh is still quite soft. So we just want to wilt the endive a little bit. Great. So just put the fish in there. Typically, they can eat this. We used to eat this with potatoes, with boiled potatoes, but I think in this case, the Maegawa and the emulsion made with the bones is more suitable. That's it. We age most of our fish, or we cure most of our fish in different fashions, and try to use old methods, either from Portuguese or from Japan. It gives that umami to the fish. It elevates the flavor of the fish for sure. Yeah.